about this part that covers the eye?
Skin?
Yeah, the skin that covers the eye.
What are you writing? Yeah.
Liharu.
You see how Mr. Reyes put the names in Garifuna? You're supposed to write them and put the English right beside them because he's saying the English right away. That's how you will be able to remember. Put the English translation right away.
This part here when the eye is closed.
What's the name for the eyelid? Say it loud. I see why she.
Lideragu, right? When the eyes are closed.
That's eyelid.
Okay. It looks like a worm, right? Running that way.
Looks like a sea creature.
Is that a closed eye?
Pardon me?
Is that a closed eye?
This is a closed eye.
Where was it? Where is it?
Liridiagu.
The eyelid. The pupil of the eye.
Yeah.
Yeah, but earlier they said that Lilagu is the pupil, so I'm confused.
No.
Lilagu is the iris?
Lideragu is the content. It's the eye itself, the eyeball.
Okay. Okay.
Lideragu.
Eyeball. Liharu. That's the white part. That's the
Right, the
eyeball.
white part is the
So
Lilagu.
that lila is the iris. And then liridi is the pupil.
Very good. Thank you.
This is Liridiagu. And this is Liharu. This white part is Liharu.
Liharu.
The one.
Lila is the part of circles. Lila is the part of circles. The center of
And this
lila.
part
Ruben.
Liridiagu.
Ruben.
Yes.
You're confusing us because the part that you shade is the iris, lila avo. The center, that little piece in the center is the pupil.
Okay. This here, right? You have the retina here somewhere. You have another lens here, right? This whole thing is Lilagu. The eyeball. This is the eyeball. Okay? It's the content of the eye. And in Garifuna, content is Lila.
Okay, hold on.
Agu.
Hold on. I was telling you you're confusing us because, of course, we understand the pupil, the eyeball, the iris, retina, all those.
Yeah.
Lila, right? Pero you went ahead and named each part. So, if we are saying Liridiagu is pupil, iris is eyeball, lila agu, leharube, and then liridiagu is the pupil.
Right.
So
the centermost part?
yeah, the one, the part, the window, the one that we see with the pupil. That's the one around it is no. The one, excuse me, the part of our eye that we see when you look in the face, the black part, that's the pupil, that's the iris. The center is the little hole in our eye, that's the pupil. And Ruben, you were telling us that pupil, liridi.
Right.
Actually,
the ball, liharu. I'm sure we understand all of those make up lila agu.
Let me make a correction, right?
Okay.
Okay, when you see the eye, the black part of the eye, which is this part here, without going into detail of the component of that part, right? The name of that is Liridiagu. Okay?
Also, it's the whole black part?
The whole, not just the eye, not just the little point in the middle.
The eyeball.
Yeah, the point where you see from now. The
Okay,
black.
that red spot is where we got confused.
Okay. Actually, this means the whole internal part of the eye. And this one means the black part of the eye.
Okay, so the black is the iris.
Yeah, but the whole black and the point is liridiagu so far. Until later on, the doctors and people who are going to work in anatomy, they're going to go and break down the internal part of the eye in Garifuna. So far, only what we see is named.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense. I was only, like, very good.
Yeah, that's a good
Because, like I'm
clarification.
telling you, we were getting confused, especially, like after you put the dot and draw the line to the dot
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Liridi, then when we are thinking that Liridi is the pupil
Okay.
and not the iris and pupil.
Yeah, because we don't have a name, separate name for it in Garifuna. Yeah.
As
It's
a
not
matter of
like,
fact, like you said earlier, we say lila agu.
yeah. Lila Vago, let me see your eye, Lila Ago. But this part is Liharu, and this part is Liridi,
Okay.
because it's round. Okay?
And together they are lila agu.
And the whole thing is Lilago, whether it's black or white, yeah, or blue. Lilago. Okay? So can we move on?
Yes.
Good. Now, anybody knows that?
Nostril.
All together.
Yeah, but Uwe.
Right?
Levene iwagi.
That's nice. Who knows?
Levene is good.
See the sun?
Does it look like a nose?
Somebody should draw a nose.
Okay, I'm trying not to confuse people here. Okay, so this whole thing, right? The whole thing is
Oh.
Iggy.
Okay. You're right.
The whole thing is Iggy.
Iggy, okay.
Iggy, okay?
Writing
Now, this orifice,
words.
now the orifice of the nose, what's the name in English? Nostrils, right? Okay, but it's still orifice. Aren't they orifice?
Yeah, they are holes.
They're holes. Okay. Lihure. Igiri. It's not Igirugu. Who said Igirugu? Wow.
Big word.
Okay. Now these openings here is Lihure Igiri. Lihure Igiri. Now the internal organ is Igirugu.
That's what you got from. But is it Igarugu with the umlaut?
Igirugu.
Oh no.
Mama good.
Okay.
Igirugu.
Igarugu.
So I need to cut a Nigirugu, right?
Inside
I have
the
something in my nose, meaning inside my nose. Okay. Is this okay, Brother Ben? So far? Gotcha.
I'm about waiting.
Pardon?
The little piercing function.
Okay. Now, you see some people have it and some do. Right?
Or the hair.
The older, the longer, right?
Oh.
The nose to hair.
Yeah,